What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, the Bitcoin price is repeating history exactly as it did last cycle. In today's video, I really want to show you this exact chart which I posted on Twitter, showing you exactly what happened last cycle in 2021-22 and exactly how it's going to play out this time round. I want to talk about that and many more different things, including some different charts which I've been looking at over the weekend in today's video. As always, sit back, relax, and get ready for the video. All right, guys, welcome back to another video, and thank you for joining me once again. As always, a massive special thank you to each and every one of you watching at home. It really does mean the world to me. And to give back to you watching, all you have to do is comment down below saying literally anything, and I'm going to be giving you $100 every single week. So get your comments down below and let's start the video. All right, guys, important message before we do continue. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy called Jack in his room making videos about his journey in crypto. And also, if you're in the UK, USA, or UAE, please do not watch, engage with any of my content or my links down below in this video. First of all, I want to start the video by just saying, if you don't already know, you can go to copymybots.io. I actually have a website set up where you can see exactly every single bot which I'm using right now. I think right now is a great time to be using bots. Personally, that's why I'm using them, because we are at pretty low Bitcoin prices. I want these grid bots to accumulate different positions in crypto, futures positions on grid bots, and then going into the next cycle, or even just not even having an all-time high, just starting to recover with the price over the next 6 months. These bots are going to be buying at perfect entry points. So when the bull market does come and when better times do come, I've set myself up in this time for better times in the future. So you can see some of the profits right here, and also some of the different bots which I have right there. You can go down below in the link description, copymybots.io, and very simple steps. So let's start with the video, what's going on with Bitcoin, because we can take a look right here, and we have been sitting around this lower edge of this bear flag right here, and many people are in fact wondering when we are going to see a break from this bear flag to the downside. We can see right here the downside target would be about $37,000. However, when we take a look at the moving averages right here, if we go to this chart right there, we pull up the weekly chart, we pull up my moving averages. This is what I was talking about in previous videos, showing that honestly, in reality, I don't think we're going to go below around $45,000. For me, that is my absolute bottom, worst case scenario. $45,000 Bitcoin would be my worst case scenario. Realistically, I think we're going to go somewhere between low 50s, maybe drop down, wick down to 47, something like that, like just for a day or even a few hours, and then wick back up. And I think this, in my opinion, is the best accumulation range for Bitcoin. Of course, I don't know exactly where the bottom will be. Neither do you, neither does anyone. All we can do is look at previous chart history, on-chain data, and try and understand what the best possible solution is. I'm still in my trade over on weeks, my short position. I entered at about $72,000, $73,000. I'm leaving that open as a hedge. And as I said, I'm running these bots right here, which you can see right there. I'm running these bots to hopefully accumulate within these ranges right here. So when we do have a little bit of sideways action, or we do continue to go higher, I don't even need all-time highs, because these bots will be printing money hopefully for me. And you can copy them down below, copymybots.io. So I think that realistically, around 50K will be the bottom, in my opinion. Usually the bottoms coincide with previous cycle highs. We can see right there around 68K. We're already around that kind of range. However, I don't think that's going to happen. I think because of what's going on in the world right now, we could see a little bit of a sharper dip. And even if we remove these EMAs right there and we go to this chart right here and take a look, we can start to see what kind of scale we are at right now, because as I showed in last video, this chart is showing us that we are towards the lower end of this cycle move right here. Each time we have had an all-time high, we have had a retracement. That's a tongue twister right there. And then we can see we continued upwards. Although one thing which is slightly concerning me this time is we didn't reach the upper level of this channel right here. So that is a little bit concerning, to be honest, guys. However, we have reached the bottom level right there, and push towards the upside will come, of course. Many people are leaving crypto right now. Many people are just not even interested in crypto whatsoever. And we can see the Google Trends search for crypto right here is pretty much at a 5-year low right now. That signifies to me that it's a great time to be in crypto, because when others are leaving, that's when you should be entering. That's when you should be doubling down. Of course, Warren Buffett, be greedy when others are fearful, and fearful when others are greedy. Right now, guys, is the time to be flipping greedy with crypto. The prices are great. I mean, we can see stuff like Solana down at $80, Sui down below $1, down below 90 cents even. These are great, great prices. Pretty much 12 months ago or a year and a half ago, you would give your left arm to get crypto at these prices. And now we are here. What are you doing about it? I do want to let you know that over on my Twitter as well, I am having another giveaway. Around $500. There is around 7 days to enter. And all you have to do is comment your wallet address down below and join the Telegram group. Super, super easy. Chart Chasers Telegram group is down below as well. If you want different signals and setups, that is there as well. This is going to cause a problem, guys, because Tuesday, 8 p.m. Eastern time, that is later today. It's Tuesday, however, it's around 9 a.m., 10 a.m. Dubai time. So 8 p.m. Eastern time, Trump has said he has extended the deadline for the Strait of Hormuz, and it's a very, very concerning time. Of course, I'm in Dubai. You can't see anything happening right now. Honestly, it's not so crazy. However, the markets could get very, very crazy if something does happen during this time. I think there could be escalation. I'm not really sure Iran is going to comply, to be honest. I think Trump could then go on and further batter Iran, and things could really, really get very, very bad. Of course, markets do not like war. Apart from gold and precious metals and oil, they do not like war. So traditional assets, crypto, more risky assets like crypto and stuff, they will potentially feel a little bit of a burn. So just keep that in mind, guys, when we are taking a look. And I do want to take a look at this chart as well before rounding off today's video. So we can see right here, we got a double top right there from the previous cycle, and we've got this horizontal ascending level of support, which was broken, and then we go into a bear market. You could say the bear market's here, but really it broke right there. However, now we are seeing a similar thing. Yes, the tops aren't as high. The first top wasn't as high as the second. Previously, it was pretty similar, to be honest. And we can see right now a push towards the upside, a top, a reversal back down to this horizontal ascending level of support, a push back to the upside, a reversal again. And now we are currently in this level. And again, this chart here shows the Bitcoin price going to around 55K before reversing. That would perfectly collide with my EMA ribbons right there, suggesting that around 50K could be the bottom, maybe 46, absolute worst case scenario. So then again, we see some kind of reversal, and it's showing that going into kind of 2028 or end of 2027, summer 2027 to 2028, it could start to be a very bullish time for crypto. Of course, that sounds crazy. Now we're sitting in April 2026. So you're telling me we're going to wait a year and a half almost until we start to get gains? Honestly, it could be that way, guys, because crypto works usually like that. There is usually cycles which it works in. Previously, of course, it can change. Of course, it can be a 5-year cycle. However, crypto does usually work like that. Since I've been in it and since it's been existing, it does usually work in cycles. And we are, unfortunately, in a bear cycle right now. And although many of you may be disappointed, including myself, we didn't have the altcoin gains which we thought we would have. We didn't have Solana to $1,000. We didn't have Ethereum to $10,000. We had Bitcoin to 126K, and that's pretty much it, to be honest. XRP had a pump as well, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, it definitely isn't a great thing to be looking at this chart with these dates on the bottom. However, that's all we can go with, guys. That's all we can go with. So as I told you, I'm setting up my bots ready for the bull market, ready for better times ahead. And these bots, sometimes they can print $20, $30, $40 per day, and you can withdraw it and just use that money during this bear market. So overall, I would check out copymybots.io. You can follow all the steps, sign up to Pinex right there, claim your deposit, activate your bots. You just simply click there, and then you go ahead and copy which bot you want, and then sit back and relax and let the bots work. You can monitor them, of course, on the Pinex website or app, and that's pretty much it. I really do appreciate you for watching, guys. Of course, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy called Jack in his room making videos about crypto. And if you're from the UK, USA, or UAE, please do not watch or engage with my content. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.